here today.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Off-roading.
Oh, shit. I'll never make it. Oh, fuck. Too much snow.
There's a dumpster. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Oh, my God.
This fucking big ass pile.
That lady's so mad.
We'll roll the window down for this one.
Cup car. Cup. Oh, shit. We're going sideways.
I'm gonna hang out of the car while you drift. Go in the back. Well, that'll be some intense shit.
I kind of love winter.
Yeah, it's alright.
Oh, fuck. Watch this crash.
That's sweet.
Oh, shit. Coppers. They're gonna think they got pulled over. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What the fuck is this?
They just plow out little paths for no reason. Perfect for drifting. See this little loop, dude?
Go. Oh, shit.
Fuck.
Go.
Oh! Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck. Cars.
Why are there so many cars? Oh, shit.
I don't know. I was doing this earlier.
Still open.
Murdering the pole. I thought they were closed. It's like 9 o'clock.
They're like, there's a cop car drifting.
Who the hell goes to Bondstown at 9 o'clock?
So easy to drive in there.
Aw, I'm parking right by the pole we could drift around.
Oh, what the fuck?
Get the fuck out of the way.
Get the fuck out of the way.
Yeah, that's pretty
Sideways. Oh, shit.
Just do this loop. Just keep doing the loop.
Oh, shit. Too much grip.
Go.
Oh, fuck. We're so fucked. So hot here.
Was that a squeal? Oh shit, you're fucked.
It's a Chevy Impala. Sorry, officers. Folks.
Registration? Whose vehicle is this?
This is mine.
Got yourself a former police car and trying it out, huh?
Keeping off drugs, doing stuff that's adrenaline rush.
Going to jail could be a big adrenaline rush. Having a
No
car
way.
for you.
That's bad.
He's practicing his driving skills.
Little old ladies working a part-time job comes wandering across this parking lot and you slide into them. That ain't too fun.
Yeah, you're right. I never really thought of that. I was trying to.
I know you don't think of things like that. I was young and dumb once too, but we gotta do our job. Kelly, what's your address?
My name's Nick. Oh, that's my mom. She lives on 8030 Ridge Road, Gasport, New
Nick,
York.
what's your address?
My address is 211 Chestnut Street, Lockport, New York.
Lockport?
Yep.
Why don't you take yourself in this vehicle home, sir? Before
Alright.
you get yourself in some real trouble.
Alright.
And what you're driving.
I'm
Where do
sorry.
you work at?
I own a tattoo shop on Chestnut Street. Pirates
down
Alley?
there. Yeah. Take it home before you get yourself in trouble.
Sorry, have a nice night.
Drive careful.
Thanks. told you they had secret cars, dude.
Dude, I didn't know there's a cop. Oh, it's a
There's
joke.
2 cops, dude.
I thought it was a joke. I got it all.
Oh my god. Dude, they know people do that all winter. That's why they were like okay with it. Oh my god, that was intense. Dude, that's one too. That dude pulled up and got in their car. That's so incognito. Oh my god.
Oh, fuck. Former police car, eh?
Yo, that's so good, dude.
Send that shit in.
No, dude, I'm gonna. That's so funny. Dude, we were just drifting like circles around them.
We were
I
like going around
drifted
the corner
right
like,
next to
whip, whip, whip.
No way.
Yeah,
Oh shit, they
you were
probably didn't
nailing
hear
the
it.
siren.
Oh, it's so fucked up.
Drifting.
No, don't do it, dude. I'm gonna get fucking felony.
He knows it's former police
No,
car.
I know. They know
They
it's
didn't
fun. That's
care.
why he was like, I'm young and dumb once.
Why don't you take your car home before you hit an old lady
Oh, it's so
shopping at the Bonton? What the fuck?
dude.
Yeah, this is something they don't have down there. Oh,
Okay. Oh shit, that car is.
guy's got his lights off. Fuck.
Dude, they're gonna love this. It's so funny. What if you send yourself getting pulled over in a casting video? What the fuck?
That guy doesn't have his lights on either. What the hell's going on today?
Everyone's so retarded.
What the fuck's going on? Oh shit. What are you doing?
I'm just keeping off drugs.
I'm just not doing drugs today, officer.
Is that what I said?
Yeah.
I was like, I'm just keeping off drugs, getting an adrenaline rush.
I'm getting a drift high. Natural high.
Natural high.
That's funny as
What did you say? You're like, he's just learning how to drive in the.
I was like, he's just practicing his driving skills. Officer.
It's so funny, dude. They knew it was a cop car. They probably heard the siren. I don't think they heard the siren.
I think that actually helped you out. That is a cop. It's a former police car.
That's probably, dude. They probably thought I was a cop. That's why they didn't. Because I drifted right around his car.
Yeah, you did.
The first
We were
time
doing
in-
laps around him almost.
Oh, dude, that's so weird that they were cops.
You're like, these are probably cops.
They just have old shitty cars.
Well, the
with
way they like
lights in
met up was weird.
them. Yeah, I know.
Then he turned
that's
those
what I
lights on. I was like, oh fuck.
It's because I had this light on. He knew I wasn't a cop, dude. He probably would have thought I was an undercover cop because I have antennas on this car. It's so fucked up. Dude, I can't believe we got that on video.
I was just holding. I put my hand over this red light, and I was holding the camera like this, and he couldn't see it. Hopefully, it like filmed it good.
Oh, I hope so.
And I filmed the lights. I was like, I like sticked up and filmed the lights for a second. I was like, oh shit. I've been filming for 8 minutes and 32 seconds so far.
Fucking just turn it on. We got enough footage. Dude, all I gotta do is send myself getting pulled over and they're gonna be like, yeah, this kid's awesome.